Hey guys, it's me, and today we are taking a look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So let's get into it. And here we go. Opening up the box, you're greeted with the Samsung Galaxy Tab, a 9 placed neatly on top. And then under here, you've got the tablet. Now inside the package you will find the charging cable, which is USB Type-C to Type-A. You got your adapter, and you got a SIM ejector tool. That's if you get the LTE variant. And lastly, you've got your documentation, which is very minimal. But anyways, that's everything in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the device itself, starting with the design and build quality. And you can see here that the Galaxy Tab A9 has a slim and lightweight design. It only weighs 367 grams, and it measures just 8 millimeters in thickness. It's great for people who are constantly on the move. Additionally, the aluminum body gives it a bit of a sturdy feel, but also gives it a touch of elegance. I really like the matte finish on the back here, because it helps resist fingerprints, so the tablet always looks clean. It's available in 2 colors, graphite and silver. Personally, I prefer the graphite because it looks more unique. However, the silver does look really clean too. Moving on to the buttons and ports. On the right side, you've got the power button as well as the volume rockers. At the bottom, there's the speaker grill, a Type-C port for charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the left side, you've got a micro SD card slot. Overall, the build quality is excellent for a budget-friendly tablet. The compact design makes it incredibly easy to hold, so it's perfect for watching videos, reading books, or working on the go. Next, let's talk about the display. The Tab A9 comes with an 8.7-inch LCD display with HD Plus resolution of 1340 by 800 pixels. The screen produces sharp and vibrant visuals with decent color accuracy. The compact size and HD resolution make it a good option for those who want a portable tablet for reading, streaming videos, or browsing the web. The brightness is also decent, making it easy to view content in various lighting conditions. However, it's not the best when compared to other tablets in this price range. For example, the Galaxy Tab A8 has a higher resolution display. On the other hand, it's important to consider that the target audience for this tablet is not those who are looking for the best display. Instead, it's aimed at those who want a reliable and affordable tablet for everyday tasks such as online classes, video streaming, and browsing social media. The compact size of the Tab A9 makes it easy to carry around, and it's lightweight enough to hold for extended periods. The HD Plus resolution may not be the best, but it's still adequate for most users. Alright, now let's move on to the performance. The Galaxy Tab A9 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. This makes the tablet perform well for everyday tasks, such as browsing the web, watching videos, and even playing some games. If you want more power, you can opt for the 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage version. In my experience, the performance is smooth and responsive, making it a good choice for students who need a tablet for online classes or individuals who want a reliable device for basic tasks. The processor is efficient, and the RAM is adequate for multitasking, and the storage space is enough to store a lot of files and media. However, it's worth noting that the Tab A9 is not designed for heavy gaming or intensive tasks, such as video editing. It's a budget-friendly tablet, and its performance is solid for its price range. For example, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE has a more powerful processor, but it also costs significantly more. In addition to the processor, the Tab A9's performance is also influenced by the software and optimization. Samsung S1 UI interface is known for being stable and well optimized for their devices, and the Tab A9 is no exception. The animations are smooth and the multitasking features work well, making it easy to switch between apps and windows. It's important to note that the performance may vary depending on how many apps and services you run simultaneously. But overall, the Tab A9 offers a reliable performance for most users. Okay, next, let's discuss the audio experience. The Galaxy Tab A9 has a set of dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. The audio quality is loud, clear, and immersive, making it perfect for movies, music, and video calls. The speakers are well placed, and the sound they produce is impressive for a tablet in this price range. The Dolby Atmos support adds another layer of depth and richness to the audio, giving it a cinematic feel. It's also worth mentioning that the speakers are loud enough to fill a small room, making it perfect for group study sessions or watching movies with friends. The bass is strong, and the mids and highs are clear, making it a great option for those who want a tablet with good audio quality. Overall, the audio experience on the Tab A9 is exceptional, and it is one of the standout features of this tablet. Moving on to the cameras, the Tab A9 includes an 8MP rear camera and a 2MP or 5MP front-facing camera. The rear camera is capable of capturing decent photos, and the front-facing camera is good for video calls and selfies. It's not the best camera setup, but it's what you would expect from a budget-friendly tablet. The camera performance is adequate for basic needs, and the image quality is decent for a tablet in this price range. The camera features are limited, but it does include autofocus and HDR capabilities. However, it lacks optical zoom and night mode. Overall, the cameras on the Tab A9 are not its main selling point, but they are sufficient for most users. Moving on, let's discuss the battery. The Tab A9 has a 5100 mAh battery capacity, which is pretty big. This means that it can last a long time on a single charge, which is essential for those who want to use it for extended periods. With normal usage, you can easily get up to 10 hours of usage, which is impressive for a tablet in this price range. Charging is done through the USB-C port, and it supports standard fast charging. This means that it can quickly charge up to 75% in about an hour and a half. Overall, the battery life on the Tab A9 is exceptional, and it's one of its standout features. Lastly, let's talk about the software and features. The Tab A9 runs on Samsung's One UI interface based on Android. The software is optimized for the tablet's hardware, and it offers a smooth and responsive experience. Some of the standout features of the software include the split-screen mode, which allows you to view 2 windows or apps at once, parental controls for kids, and seamless app integration across Samsung devices. These features make the Tab A9 a good choice for students, professionals, and anyone who wants a reliable tablet for everyday use. The software is also regularly updated with security patches, and it's compatible with most apps available on the Google Play Store. However, it's worth noting that the Tab A9 does not come with the latest Android version. For example, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE runs on Android 12, while the Tab A9 runs on Android 11. But this should not be a major issue, as the software updates are regular and frequent. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 is a solid budget-friendly tablet that offers good performance and features for its price. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable device for everyday tasks. The design is sleek and modern, and the build quality is excellent. The display is not the best, but it's still adequate for most users, and the audio quality is surprisingly good. The battery life is exceptional, and the software is smooth and responsive. If you're looking for a budget-friendly tablet, the Galaxy Tab A9 is definitely worth considering. Anyways, that's it for this review. Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. For now guys, have a fantastic day.